to the crib, flawless, and you gorgeous. Always got that mean look on you, but you harmless. Baby girl, I love your style and the way you doing it. Everything that you put on, they be hopping on it, they jocking on it. You be serving them. Saw some homies in your DM, you be curving them. And you loyal, so I don't take nothing personal. Had to change some of my ways, got.
We got the U-Haul! Baby, you ready? I'm driving first and then Bay next. It's about to be lit, y'all. We gonna be vlogging. But is it U-Haul? I'm excited. I'm nervous. I'm hungry right now. I need to eat. We just got it, so we're gonna go home, unpack it, and then put the car in the bag. I'm excited, y'all. So we eating some Lisa's chicken, babe. How do you feel about Lisa's chickens for the first time?
It's good.
It's good?
Mm-hmm.
It is slamming. I don't know about good. That shit's slamming. Especially be as cheap as it is for all this food we get. So we about to eat. And then we gonna head out 4 o'clock in the morning. Pray for us. We gonna make it. Let's go in the mountain. I'm in the islands tonight. Hey, babe.
Cooking soda, babe.
Baby, doing really good.
Hey, babe. Come on, hey, babe. Got me.
Shout out to Bay. He really drove the whole way. Come on. Welcome to our new crib. Okay. So first, we're going to come this way. You have to start with our kitchen where we going to do it right here. Like, we're not going to do that. But this is our kitchen, y'all. Turn the camera this way, babe. Come on. We got our wine. You all know this is my favorite part of the house. Let me put all my wine up here, okay? Okay, come on. Over here, we got our laundry. No more laundry mess for me, huh? Clean. Okay. Come on. I'm gonna. That's our mess. Let's do guess. Okay, come on. This is gonna be my makeup room, okay? Come on. See, it's little, it's cute. Now we got this is the guest bathroom. If you get invited over here, you're gonna be over here. Come on. This is where y'all gonna be if you ever get the invite here. And this is gonna be my little closet. Come on, babe, show them all this stuff I'm going to be putting in there. It's a little small, but it's still going to work for me. This is where. So then we're gonna get back out of here, and I'm gonna show you my favorite part of the house. Come on. Okay. So this is our master bedroom. This is where all the magic be happening. Okay, come on. And this is my favorite part, y'all. I always dream to have a his and hers sinks for Big Daddy and me. So this one's gonna be my side. I'm gonna be brushing my teeth. And then he gets to go over here, look. This is his side, this is my side. I claim this side, that's his side, right, babe? Yes, babe? Yes? He's not talking to me, because I told him, don't be talking in my videos, so he going So this is our shower, and then this is our other closet we have. We don't know what we're gonna do yet about our closets, but this is our little new apartment. So we gotta rush and hurry up, you guys, but let me tell you about my apartment. The apartment do have a pool, a 24-hour gym. We have a mini golf course. We also have our own car wash. So I'm really excited about that. So Bay, are you excited about our new home?
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Y'all see? So I'm giving y'all a little tour, little T, little C. Next time y'all see it, it's gonna be fully furnished, all did up and cute with my little special sparkle on it. So I love you guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to subscribe. Boo. Let me know if y'all have any ideas for me. Anything I should put in here. Anything, you know, just drop the comments down. Love gang forever. Peace.
I don't want to show too much, you guys, of where I live just because privacy. But, oh my God, you guys, my new apartment is so cute. It's just like so super cute. Like, oh my gosh. Like, it's the upgrade for me. I'm tired though. Walking up those steps got me like, this is just a little review. This is my favorite part, y'all. I think I'm fancy because I got a bit. Target. Body, yada, yada, yada.
Guys, I am so happy. I'm so happy to be with my man. Like, I prayed for him, y'all. I manifest him. And I finally got him. And now that I got him, we got all this already. Like, soon be the ring, soon be the ring. Just tell him, soon be the ring. No rush, no babe. But yeah, babe, we rushing. Y'all okay? Okay, hard working. Men. Oh, I'm tired and I'm hot. And it's hot as hell in South Carolina. It's the moving process for me. And we gotta walk up steps. I'm sweating my makeup off. I'm so hot. Y'all, this moving shit is in the way. I ain't feeling this. Come help me, come on. Everybody, come help me. I'm sweating, look at that. I just need 5 minutes, 5 seconds. It's almost done.
You to the crib, flawless, and you gorgeous. Always got that mean look on you, but you harmless. Baby girl, I love your style and the way you doing it. Everything that you put on, they be hopping on it, they jocking on it. You be serving them. Saw some homies in your DM, you be curving them. And you loyal, so I don't take nothing personal. Had to change some of my ways, got